Smart displays with the Google Assistant are the perfect sous chef. While you're busy chopping, mixing, and getting your hands messy, your Google Assistant is standing by with step-by-step recipes, how-to videos, help converting measurements, or setting timers, all hands-free. With step-by-step visual and audio instructions, it's easy to get started in the kitchen.
Hey Google, show me the first recipe. Hey Google, start cooking.
There are 8 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions. The first ingredient is 2 asparagus chopped.
Hey Google, how many ounces are in 3 cups?
3 cups equals 24 fluid ounces.
And when you're stuck, YouTube is there to help. If you want to listen to some tunes while you're cooking,
Hey Google, play some upbeat music.
Alright, here's a Google Play music station called Upbeat Jazz Commute.
and if you want to start a Google Duo video call when your hands are busy,
Hey Google, call Mom.
Okay, calling Mom.
See? A smart display with the Google Assistant makes mastering the kitchen easy, so you can enjoy hosting friends and family for a perfect home-cooked meal. To learn more, visit the Google Assistant website.